Guys, it's Kathy here with Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, an eco-friendly cleaning business here in the Poconos. So it's a dark, dreary day here in the Poconos. It's raining like crazy. I have the lights on just to give myself some light over here, but I wanted to show you something with my Himalayan salt lamp. You notice that shiny stuff down there on the bottom? See all that stuff down there? That is water. Look at that. It's collecting water. Well, it's not actually collecting it. What it does is the Himalayan salt lamp attracts the moisture in the air, and the moisture turns into water droplets. And it basically, they say that it cries, the salt lamp. The Himalayan salt, it cries the moisture from the air. So it takes it out of the air, and then if you see your salt lamp, look at that. See how it's like coming down? If you see water coming out of your Himalayan salt lamp, totally normal. Look at that. You can see how shiny it is. Look, it's extracting all that water, all the moisture from the air. So this is perfectly normal, totally fine. And if you have good quality salt lamp, that's what it's supposed to do. I've had mine for a little over 2 years, and it's still growing strong, or going strong. Another good reason why you want to have a candle holder plate or a plate underneath your salt lamp to collect any of the moisture. So see that? Water. Look at that. So I'm just going to have to wipe that off, clean that up. But if you touch the look at that. I just touched it. Look how it's very like a slimy kind of texture. So yeah, so it's doing its job. It's extracting the water, the moisture from the hi Bubby, from the air, especially with all this rainy, damp weather we're having. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.